Assalamu alaikum dear students of grade 8th. Today is 30th April 2020 and the day is Thursday. As we are doing chapter number 9, area and volumes. In exercise, we will start today exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2. Okay, exercise 9.2, which is at page number which is starting from page number 187, and here is the example number 4. They are saying that find area of triangular region by using Hero's formula. By what is Hero's formula? This one is Hero's formula. By using this formula, we will find out the area of triangular region. Let us solve some examples to understand the method. Example number 4 is find the area of adjoining figure when lengths of sides are in centimeters. Here you can see that length of sides are given over here, A, B and C. They are saying that in front of A there is small a, in front of B there is small b, and in front of C there is small c. So A is equals to 6, B is equals to 7 and C is equals to 5. Understand? So how you will calculate the area of a triangular region? First of all, you will have to calculate S. Understand? For S you will calculate which lies in your Hero's formula. Understand? So for S you will how you will find out? You will write A plus B plus C divided by 2. Understand? Now A is 6, B is 7 plus C is 5 divided by 2, and then what here comes? 18 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So here S comes 9. Now we will write here the formula. Understand? Which is, okay, you will write here S minus A, then S minus B, then S minus C. Understand? Now put the values. Okay, S is which we find 9. 9 minus A, which is 6. 9 minus B, which is 7. And 9 minus C, which is 5. Now what you will do? 9. When you subtract 6 from 9, 3. Subtract 7 from 9, 2. Subtract 5 from 9. Here comes 4. You will multiply all these. So here will come 216. Now you will take its square root. So it will come 216 14.69. When there is the second digit greater than 4, so we will round off this. So here will come, when we add 1 to this, so here will come 14.70. Understand? 14.70. So 14.70 centimeter square is the answer. Understand? Okay. Now I will show you another example. Example number 5. Find the area of triangular region if S is 12 centimeter, A is 6 centimeter and C is 10 centimeter. Here S is 12 centimeter, A is 6 centimeter and C is 10 centimeter. Here B is missing. What is missing over here? B. So what we will find first? We will find first B divided by 2. Now put the values. S is 12, A is 6 plus B plus C is 10 divided by 2. Now add these. 16 plus b divided by 2. Here comes 12. Multiply both sides with 2. 12 twos are 24. 2 16s are okay, wait. Okay, here 2 will cut down with this. Here will come just 16 plus b. Now bring 16 towards this side. Here will be b. So what comes here? Here will come 8 centimeter. Here will come 8 centimeter. Understand? B is 8 centimeter. We have found, like B, you can find the value of A as well. You can find the value of C as well by this method. Understand? Sometimes there will be missing A, sometimes there will be missing B, sometimes there will be missing C. So you will have to find out all these by this method. Understand? Now simply by putting Hero's formula, S is, they have given us 12 centimeter. 12 minus A is, what A is 6 centimeter. 12 minus B, which we have found here, 8. 12 minus C, which is 10. Okay. Now here comes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 12 minus 8, 4. 12 minus 10, 2. Now multiply all these. By multiplying all these, you will get 576. Now you will take its square root. Mm-hmm. 500. Here will come 24. Here will come 24. So what is this? Area of A, B and C. Triangle AB, triangular region ABC is here. Like this you will solve your all problems. Understand? Now in exercise 9.2, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 is your homework. Question number 3 is your homework till question number 3. In exercise 9.2, question number 1, 2 and 3, all parts is your homework. Thank you.